Tonight, the most dangerous ultimatum in West Asia, it is not coming from Tehran, it is coming from Sana, from the Houthis. And this time their message, it is not vague, it is not symbolic, it is not subtle, it is a direct threat to Israel. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I am Tritiya and the Houthis are saying that if Gaza burns again, they will fire again. Well, this warning comes at a very sensitive moment because right now Gaza has a temporary, fragile and extremely unstable pause. That's a ceasefire, not peace, not a treaty here, just a pause because mediators from Qatar, Egypt and the United States, they are trying very hard to hold both the sides back. But the Houthis, they don't believe this pause can actually survive. Why? Because they think that Netanyahu needs a new military win just to survive politically. Because they believe that Israel will resume strikes and that's why they are preparing in advance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about facts here. Houthis have already fired more than 200 plus missiles and drones towards Israel and the US bases since late 2023. They attacked US, they attacked the UK ships in the Red Sea. In fact, at one point, global shipping had to be rerouted around Africa, costing world economy billions of dollars. Well, US called them one of the most dangerous militant groups in the world right now. So, basically, when they say that they will return to war, they mean it. In the meantime, Houthis are battle-tested. They have been fighting Saudi Arabia plus the UAE for years now. And you know what? They survived. Their entire ideology is built on resistance against Israel and America. And in the meantime, in Iran, officials are encouraging this behavior. Iranian commanders, they openly say that Houthis are part of the ring of resistance. Well, be it Hezbollah from Lebanon, be it Iran's proxy in Iraq, Syria militia group, be it Hamas, be it Yemen's Houthi, they all are linked and all have one target, and that target, my friend, is Israel. So they are not just one country threat. This is basically a network threat. If Gaza gets bombed again, Israel will not just face Hamas inside the strip. It could face, again, Hezbollah from Lebanon, Houthis from Yemen, Iraqi group from the east, and Syria's militia from the north. Multi-front war at the very same time. And that is why the UN, US and Europe, they all are terrified. A single airstrike in Gaza could trigger a nationwide firestorm. So the question tonight is very simple yet very deadly. Does Israel risk a new regional war, or does Tel Aviv hold back? Because Yemen just warned that try if you dare to.